how to compress PDF file size. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to compress a PDF file while maintaining its quality. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is our PDF file which currently has a size of 36.5 MB. And now to compress the file size of this PDF, let's head to the website which I have provided the link in the description. It's completely free to use, and once the site's open, simply click on select PDF file, and after that locate your PDF file on your desktop and simply click open. And now you will see three compression options: extreme compression, recommended compression, and less compression. So if your PDF contain images, I recommend choosing recommended compression, but if it is mostly text, you can go with the extreme compression for maximum reduction. And once you have selected the compression level, simply click compress PDF, and after that the upload and the compression process will begin. And once it's done, the compressed file will start downloading automatically. And now let's check the result. Our original file was 36.5 MB, but after the compression it's around 2.52 MB, making it 86% smaller. Let's compare both files. Here is the original and here is the compressed version. As here you can see, the text remains clear, readable, but the size has been significantly reduced. And that's how you can easily compress a PDF without losing quality. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.